Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to recover encrypted messages on Messenger. So option 1, restore from Messenger secure storage. If you previously set up a PIN, recovery code, or cloud backup, what you can do is to open Messenger app, then log into your account, then click on menu at the bottom right. Then from here, go to settings, then go to privacy and safety, then go to end-to-end encrypted chats, then restore your encrypted message history. So you can enter your PIN, recovery code, or use the authentication method you configured. Messenger should restore the backup encrypted conversations. Next is to check archived chats. So sometimes chats are archived rather than deleted. So let's go back. So again, click on menu at the bottom right. Then from here, you should see the archive option, then tap on it. Now here, search for the person's name. If the conversation appears, it may simply be archived. Now, if messages were deleted, unfortunately, if the chat was permanently deleted, end-to-end encryption was enabled, and no secure backup was configured, then neither Meta nor anyone else can recover those messages. The encryption is designed specifically so that deleted, unbackup messages cannot be restored. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. That should fix your problem. Thanks for watching.